and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how I blended my hair with our Kinky Curly collection. Now the Kinky Curly collection, it actually mimics my natural hair pattern. And that's the special thing about our Kinky collection. Even with the Kinky straight, it's like you can blow dry your leave out straight and then it'll blend in beautifully with your natural hair. So what I'm doing here, so I've already started on this side before I started the video. I had twisties over here, and what I did was I untwisted each one of them. And now what you see me doing is taking a piece of the Kinky curly hair, taking a piece of my natural hair, as seen right here, just a small piece, not a big piece, and then loosely overlapping it, twisting it with together with the Kinky curly hair and my natural hair. I'm not doing it real tightly. That's what you don't want to do. You don't want it to look like a plait. You don't want it to look like a twist. You just want to twist it or overlap it lightly. So then when I let go, it's going to bounce and then it's going to mimic the curl pattern that's already there. So now I'm going to start on the other side. So here you see from the beginning to the end, I already have my plaits in. So this is Chi Silk Infusion. I love Chi Silk Infusion. I use it on my hair extensions. I use it on my natural hair. It is a very light oil. Now the thing you want to do is with this type, with all of our human hair extensions, you want to use light oil. So I'm using this oil, putting it on my fingers so that I won't get any frizz, and I am untwisting my hair and then separating them as much as I can without messing up the curl pattern from the twist. And then once I untwist all of them, unravel all of them, then you're going to see me do what I just did on the other side, which is twist it with my natural hair or overlap it with my natural hair loosely so that it will blend in. But yeah, I love Chi Silk Infusion. Yeah, it's really, really good. And this hair is so soft. Like it's really soft. So, detailing and everything is not even that hard. But yeah, I use a curl cream. When I wash this hair, I use a curl cream, and then I use Silk Infusion's Chi light oil. There are other oils that I use too, but I love Chi, and right now I want to use Chi because it's but yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up here and let you guys see the finished results. I think you're gonna love it. This hair is bomb. It blends in so perfectly. And so there's the Kinky straight hair too with your natural hair. So yeah, I think the Kinky collection is definitely a winner. And you guys are going to see right here the finished result. touches to blending the hair. It's just a few pieces that I have left. I hope this helped you out and you actually got to see, you know, how to do it. And here is the final results. Look at that. Look at that. The curl pattern, everything is blending in so effortlessly. Like, look at that. You can't tell where my hair begins nor where it actually ends. It just looks like my roots are, you know, a little frizzy, in which they are. And okay, kinky curly hair, you know, it's supposed to be like that. It doesn't, your leave out shouldn't be bone straight. Now we're going to use my favorite to do the final touches. Of course, Queen of Styles Edge Control. Oh, and it smells so good, y'all. Listen. Soon as you open it, you can smell the fragrance. I love smelling good things. So, of course, I would have Edge Control that smells good. So anyway, the best part about this edge control, you guys, look at that. So if you have thin edges, it's black, of course, and when you put it on your hair, it darkens it. So you can kind of like give everyone the illusion that your edges are thick until your edges grow in. And yeah, so and this edge control is real soft. It's non-damaging. It's non-flaking. It doesn't have any alcohol or anything like that in it. And it has a few nutrients in to help the hair, you know. It gives a soft stronghold and it actually moisturizes at the same time. Not like other edge controls that'll dry it out and produce flakes and all of that. No, this one really moisturizes. That shine, yeah, that shine is going to be there for a while because, yeah, it moisturizes and smells good and it gives a hold, you know, it does what it's supposed to do. So right now I'm just, you know, putting the edge control on. And, you know, if you don't want your edges to look really, really dark, all you have to do is just brush it in. But we do have the clear version of this as well. So if you don't like the black, they're both the same formula, made with the same things until you get to the colors. So we have the clear. And we have the black edition, and the black edition helps to fill in those thin edges. So yeah, check my edge control out. In all actuality, it really didn't take me that long to do to blend it all in. So I hope this helps someone. So y'all can go ahead. And this works with, you know, curly hair too. If you have curly hair and you want to blend your hair to it, you know, this will work. I'm not sure if the twisting of the hair will work because it worked with this because this is the kinky curly hair. So I'm not sure. I haven't tried it with any other hair. I usually use a closure. I hardly ever leave my hair out because I hate to have to keep blending it. I hate to have to use the flat irons and, you know, I give me a closure and then I'm good. But this is the kinky curly and it's said to, you know, mimic your natural hair. So I said, well, let me use some leave out and put the lace closure to the side for once and let me try this leave out thing. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Come on. Y'all can't tell me. Y'all can't tell me. Y'all can't tell me nothing. That looks really, really good. I love it. I love it.
Check it out.
Here I am right now just trying to make sure that my part is straight, you know, because sometimes. So yeah, I don't want to be going out here with a crooked part. I want to make sure that it's straight and it's looking nice and neat and presentable. So yeah, I'm just double checking my work right now, guys. That's all I'm doing. So yes, I am loving my hair. It's really looking good. And then I'm going to show you a close-up on how well it's blended. So I need you guys to see that as well. So thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. For more videos and tutorials, subscribe. See you next time.